number 1 of exercise 13.3. Here is a statement: a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. A sphere was there and it was metallic. It was made with some metal. It was melted and after that it was again reshaped and it took the shape of cylinder. And the cylinder was having the radius 6 centimeters. So you are given the radius for the cylinder also, and you are given for the radius for spherical part also. Find the height of cylinder that is again recasted. Now I can explain this question with some example. Suppose you brought some ice cream for you and it was in cuboidal shape. It was rectangular in shape. While coming home it melted. It was in the packet which was rectangular and it melted. When you came home, you opened that packet and you kept whole ice cream in some glass and you freeze that glass. Again it was freezed and you ate after that. You opened that cover and you shifted all your ice cream in the glass, and after that you ate the ice cream. So volume of this ice cream is not lost. The amount of ice cream that was here in this packet is same as that you have kept in the glass. So its amount is not lost. So as you are going to put this in the glass shape, so it has taken the glass shape. Its amount remains same when it melts and when it is again recast or it is again freezed. Same way we have a metal sphere, and what is given that this metal sphere is melted, and when it was melted it took the shape of, when it was again recast, it took the shape of cylinder. So that means again the amount is not lost. The amount of metal here is same as the amount of metal here. So here the metal was filled inside the cylinder which was melted and then it took the shape of cylinder. So that all metal what was here has been shifted in this cylinder. Now it is in cylindrical shape. So we are talking about the volume of both the things. Earlier it was in spherical shape, the metal was in this shape. Okay, now it has taken the shape of cylinder. So we are talking about the volume of this cylinder because the whole metal has took the shape of cylinder now. So in that cases the amount of metal is not lost. So the volume of this sphere and volume of this cylinder will remain same, as the same amount of that metal is used to make a cylinder. So volume in both the cases must be same. Now you need to find that what is the height of such a cylinder which is made using the metal which was in spherical shape. So let us start the question. As I have made you clear that volume in both the cases will remain same as the same metal is used here. So volume of spherical shape will same as volume of cylinder, as we are going to use the same amount of that metal. So let us compare these two and find the height for the new cylinder that has been formed. Here the volume of cylinder, we know its formula is 4/3 pi r cube, and what is the formula for cylinder? It is pi r square h. Here you need to take care of this thing that r in both the cases is different. So I am going to replace the value of r in both the cases. For spherical part it is 4.2 cube and for cylinder it is 6 centimeters. Okay, now in both the cases pi is having same value, so it can be cancelled out. Now we are left with 4.4/3 and this is 4.2 3 times, and here it is 6 square and h. Now we need to find the value of h, so I will shift this 6 on this side. 42/10, and when the 6 is shifted here, only h is remaining on the other side. Now we can cancel this 6 with 42. Again we can cancel this. This is 14. We can cancel here also 5s and 5s. So when we will solve 14 into 14 and we will divide by 25, we will get 2.74. That is the height for the cylinder that has been formed now. So what is the main thing? When you are melting something and giving that another shape, volume will remain same in both the cases. That is to be kept in mind. And then you are going to, as volume is same in both the shapes, so you are going to compare the volume. Do not put the value of y, just cancel it out and replace other values, and you can shift for the required value. Thank you.